This podcast is sponsored by Pooks.ai. Dive into a revolutionary reading experience with personalized ebooks and audiobooks, tailored just for you. Discover your next favorite book at Pooks.ai for free. That's POOKS.ai.
Exploring non-formal education and building your personal learning environment. Discover how non-formal education and personal learning environments empower you to learn on your own terms, enhanced by AI-driven personalized education tools. Why non-formal education and your personal learning environment matter more than ever. Hey, have you ever thought about how learning doesn't just have to happen inside a classroom? I mean, school is great and all, but there's so much more out there when it comes to education. Today, I want to chat about non-formal education options and how you can actually take control of your own learning through something called a personal learning environment. It's super relevant, especially now with all the cool technology we have, including AI changing the way we learn. So, non-formal education is basically this flexible, often informal approach to learning that happens outside of traditional institutions like schools or universities. Think workshops, online courses, community groups, even just exploring topics you love on your own time. The best part? The pace and style are totally up to you. Now, the idea of a personal learning environment is closely tied to that. It's basically your own unique setup for gathering knowledge and skills. It's a mix of tools, resources, people, and strategies you choose to help you learn best. Your personal learning environment might include online libraries, educational apps, podcasts, like this one, hopefully, discussion forums, mentors, and even AI-driven platforms. What's exciting right now is how AI in education is making personal learning even more powerful. Ever heard of AI personalized learning? This tech can actually analyze how you learn, adapt materials to fit your style, and help you focus on what you don't know yet rather than wasting time on things you've already mastered. Imagine an educational experience where things are customized just for you. That's personalized education in action. Moreover, with tools like Pooks AI, you can create your own tailored learning materials. For example, personalized books that fit your interests or goals. They have a really cool feature where you can create your personalized book now for free. That's like having a custom teacher or guide in a book form, focused exactly on what you want to learn or explore. Why does all this matter? Because education doesn't have to be one size fits all anymore. People learn differently, and non-formal education alongside a personal learning environment lets you take the reins. It boosts motivation because you're choosing what to learn and how to learn it. Plus, the integration of AI means you can get help that's genuinely helpful and not generic. Some examples of non-formal education you might already be doing include watching YouTube tutorials about hobbies or work skills, participating in online forums and webinars, joining local clubs or getting involved in community-based learning, using apps that adapt to your learning speed. Hello, language learners. The truth is, this type of learning often helps people stay curious and engaged way longer than traditional classroom settings because they feel more in control and see more immediate benefits. If you want to start building your own personal learning environment, a good first step is to identify your learning goals. What are you curious about? What skills do you want to develop? Then explore different resources, books, podcasts, apps, or websites like Pooks AI. Remember, you're building a system that works best for you, not anyone else. One quick tip: keep track of what works and what doesn't. Your personal learning environment should evolve as you do. You might find some apps are great for visual learning but boring for reading, or that joining a local study group really propels you forward. I find this approach so energizing because it puts learning back into your hands, and you can use all the fantastic tools available, including AI's personalized education features, to make it efficient and fun. Non-formal education and personal learning environments just make the whole process way more human, and that's exactly what education should be. If you haven't checked out platforms like Pooks AI yet, I promise it's worth a look. You can start by creating your personalized book now for free and see how tailored learning can actually stick better and feel less like work. It's all about fitting education into your lifestyle in a way that feels natural and inspiring. So, whether you're trying to pick up a new hobby, improve a skill for work, or just satisfy your curiosity, non formal education and your personal learning environment are game changers. Embrace the freedom to learn your way, especially with AI tools helping make learning more personal than ever before.